Charlie, the markets are slow. Oh, what's going on? Kwame! Yeah.
Madam.
Yes, what's going on?
I like give you about.
Sir. Who shall I show mana? No life for the Amomungu few. Shadow.
Skull.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Sure.
I trust you. Charlie. So I lie now. Why?
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Sharp.
Yes. Next to get my girl's mom wife. Yeah. Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Janelle's club.
I see the sample.
You saw the signboard?
Yeah.
That's nice. What's your name?
My name is Stacy.
Okay.
Please, can I sit?
You can have a seat. Do you care for water?
I'm okay.
You're okay.
I don't think somebody.
Okay. Me too.
I don't know later. Yeah.
It's in the Excuse me. I'll call you back here. Yeah?
Okay, madam.
Type of girls you will be able. Okay. Do you get it?
Yeah, I get
Say, oh, Queenie, do you want to have a look at her?
Okay. I mean, we do somebody no so. Coming here no hapa. I say, ne bonus so so kochebo bi I say.
Breastina?
Breastina.
Oh my God, she's so sweet.
Okay.
But me person won't share Queenie. So on so kita shape and come on. So you let me call her for you.
Okay.
Okay, so you make your choice, yeah? Queenie! Yes, madam.
Wow. I feel it wasn't some wow.
Yes, so that's my beautiful girl, my queen. Yes, so superb and beautiful. Queenie, we have a nurse here. Come and have a stand here. The money 360 to see what you got. But you have a look at her.
But you also not want to make
You want twerking? But you're not crazy different.
Eh, come up and I can make my son about one.
Because on here other one.
Let me for me in a bomb. Yes.
Really?
Maba.
Sir, how do you see Queenie? And I'll person confirm the other one.
I'm confirm.
Okay, Queenie, so you can go inside. I'll call you back here. Alright. Christina! Madam! Please come. My girl's snitchy.
Oh wow.
We are high tech and wow.
So why now some woman and papa di papa?
Of course. Omo die say me and me fufoni omo ni sa na. Omo di spaghetti.
Wow.
Omo di noodles. Omo di all kind of food, you know. This is Breastina for you. I was so. Breastina, give him a 360. Oh my God. What's on the man? What's on the man? No. Oh my God, you're so funny. Breastina, you're not done. Please let him have a few of what you want. Open where now?
Because of 2 rooms, we need to climb.
2 rooms, hey.
Wow.
Okay, so when you have about 10,000. Okay.
Which is
simple.
In local money?
In local money, it's 10,000.
10 million. 100 million.
100 million.
Oh, madam, I didn't just as surprising.
You're crazy. Please, okay, you're there in the 9,000. I'm not sure you're trying to order your. Okay, so thank you very much. So, Breastina, yeah, I think you can take in charge. Okay.
Yeah. And yet, the camera tap from one hand and you're going inside. What's it? You're going inside. Madam, but when you what is Subia?
Okay.
Hey. Oh, it's okay.
No.
Hey, we better come before we start talking. What the next coin? Oh, fine. So what? Oh, what is cafe? We are Jimmy. Massa.
Get out.
Oh, come on, madam. Oh, boss. Oh, I just want to. But you're from the cigar, madam. Boss, I'm in.
Uber better or buy free of charge. Are you crazy or something? Like really? Bestina, go inside, I'll call you back again, okay? You girls are doing so well. Kwame. Any other clients?
Yeah. More too. Yeah.
Yeah. So today is actually our day. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, you are welcome, 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 welcome. Please have a seat.
Oh, nice, thanks.
Wow. I can see you're really blushing with your money.
Oh yeah, you know.
Yeah? Oh.
Once I'm a BMI, there's someone that you're cushy now.
Cushy now. Okay, no problem. Come here, I'll get back to you.
Okay, madam.
Yeah?
Much more someone in one.
Yes.
Or a guy with
one of share so once if he has it, it's full of girls, you know. Yeah, number two, what type of girl now okay?
Coming now, yeah, but Harry Abiana, Tony Spoon to Sturura,
oh my goddess, really?
Oh, yeah.
And I'm from Monache, say.
Okay, no more.
I selected it, okay.
Okay.
Brestina! Yes, Queenie, please come down. Okay. So, Mummy, know about I. So that you have a look at their okay. Please, we are waiting. Hurry up.
Mohaya nice pa.
Oh yeah, they am quite high. What's a me my age me we are just here. Those are our base. Of course. Debbie.
Oh wow.
Vestina, where is Queenie? Queenie! Please come. Please, we have a client here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And I want you to, you know, exhibit what you got. What your mommy and your daddy gave you. Give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. And this is Queenie for you.
Okay, Simon.
Queenie, please come to the side.
What do you put
Yeah. So,
down, I'm
okay.
wow. Mammy too soon, yeah. Mammy too soon.
Oh, you still prefer way. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so we're going to get 20,000.
Me more 92.
Okay, short. Okay, what do you need? 8,000.
8,000. Short.
Short. That's just 20 minutes.
Say quite do my day 2.5.
Please, you can compare us to a Jom, please. Why you like that?
That we say the more you and I packaging into a baby.
Yeah, this is a package.
So higher finance.
I had to say, oh, now, baby, what's to be there? Thank you.
There's a room no
Can you take him to room number 406?
Okay, madam.
Yes.
But your baby will room hall, right? Yes. So you just go inside and then have fun. Have real fun. Have fun.
All right, sit down. How you feel? Fako Joe Jimmy Town Suma. Open me tabata. How sit down? How far?
I'm fine. Just leave this place.
Hey, man. What's that?
Rubbish. Oba be fire. Me girls now oba be real. Really? Baby boy, you're doing so good. You're doing the job for me. I love this. I'm going to increase your pay for you.
I know, right?
Any other clients?
Last Okoro.
Does it look good?
Hush.
Is it sweet?
Hush.
Oh my gosh.
Trust me.
Okay, I hope so.
I think you're going to like that one for yourself.
Okay, bring him in.
At your service.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please have a seat, darling. You are welcome. Yep. You're really tired.
Of course. My pointing thing from the Abidua.
Okay.
I've heard of you guys. I know you are doing a great job here. Just take your heart.
Beautiful. You look handsome.
You look beautiful.
Sure. Okay, so I'll call you back. Please.
Who is he?
He's our bodyguard.
Bodyguard?
Sure. We work with him.
What's his work here?
He's to guide us over here.
Really?
Yeah, to take care of us.
Do you really need a bodyguard?
Of course. You know, we are full of ladies in this house.
It's too hot here.
I'm sorry about that.
But there is
Do you want us to get
condition here, I
a
think.
neck pain or something?
If you can get me one, I will be happy.
Don't worry, after our deal.
Alright.
Yeah, so let me know what type of ladies you want. Because I've got all type of ladies around.
What can you offer me?
Do you want a threesome or twosome or foursome?
I like any of them.
I'm loving you. Queenie Prestina! Yes, madam. Please come. So,
It's a nice name.
because of how you look, I don't know if you'll be okay with threesome.
Oh, can you hire the AC?
My
It's
AC.
very hot.
Oh, sorry about that. We'll soon finish with you and then you'll go home. You'll be fine. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so these are mangoes and then you can have a look at them. So this is Christina, as you can see,
Oh,
and then Queenie.
nice meeting you, Christina.
Nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting you. What's your name?
Paulina.
Paulina.
Yes, please.
Where are you from?
I'm from Accra.
Accra.
Yes, please.
Accra.
Yes, please.
Accra is a big city, right? Where in Accra do you stay?
Also.
Osu.
Yes, please.
I just came from Osu.
Okay.
Come close, darling. Okay, so let me allow you to make your choice.
Okay.
Please give him a threesome, Steve. Yeah.
They look nice.
Yes. So I'm sure you go with the two, right?
It's a good offer.
Okay. Okay, so with this one,
So, what's your plan?
our price is very moderate and you can afford it. Just 40,000.
How do I look?
You look good.
Is anything above me?
No?
So what do you mean I can afford it?
Okay.
I can afford anything, like.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
What again did you say? The
So
prices.
you can give us
This is dollars. Dollars. Just keep away. Don't rush yourself.
I'm even sweating. Whenever I see money.
I think you have a poor AC system.
sure.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is dollars. I'm going to pay you in dollars.
Okay, that's fine.
It's above
You're giving us
20
all?
times the amount that you asked me.
Oh my god. You don't mean it. Wow, thank you so much. In fact, I'm going to be part of the girls and then we're going to service you, okay?
Don't worry.
Okay, so we have room 506.
Yeah.
Let's take him to the room. Okay. I'll be with you guys.
Can you hold me in my armpit?
Please, the other.
Come forward, please. Can you hold me in my armpit?
Yes, take him to his room.
It's time for you to live.
Really?
Baby girl.
I've heard of you. And I wanted to witness. Really? Small boys are young. I said live. Really? You are so beautiful. Obepe juma papa ye no. Mote ha. And na manfo sika na mo gidi. I thought say na yentro. Mo so say $10. $30. We send a phone or ringi. Ayesa na mpira kwasi ye bi ifre no. Se mo be san abebo jantira be abiwa. Yeah, she.